So, hello, it's Reptileguys here, and we have now some new stuff. So let's get started. So, at last Saturday I was on Christmas shopping, and I did buy for my pets Christmas presents too. Of course, they need to. Not really. So here are all the things what I bought. And first we have this big water bowl. It's going to be to Tommy, because when I clean the water, it's so difficult to remove that bowl without that water can't drop from there, because it's so shallow. So that's really annoying. So that's why I bought this. This was a little bit expensive. 20 euros, almost 20 euros. But it was worth it. At least I think so. It's very deep, but it is smaller than that bowl, but it's okay for what's refrog. And then we have these two beautiful fake plants. They were just 3 euros, so I was thinking that I will buy them. These are for Sergey and Peppy. I have now 2 of them. Whee! And these are very beautiful plants, even that they are fake plants, but still. They are purple, pink and red. Then the coolest thing of at least my mind. Again, I hit that camera. What is this thing? This is very cool. I love it. This was I don't remember. I think it was 12 euros or something like that. This is very cool. 2 skulls. RIP. Rest in peace. And few plants are here. So this is very cool. This is to Sergey and Peppy too. Mostly to Peppy, because she's the one who is on water. Or I can bet this to Sergey who is on land, but there are holes on the skulls where the newts can go, and this is good for them because those holes are so big that they can't stuck them. I'm just worried about this hole, but I'm sure. And these letters, they are very smooth. But I love these skulls. So this is maybe coolest thing what I bought. But so, that's pretty much it. Just little video about this new stuff. And the mystery pet is going to I'm going to have that mystery pet at this week. So stay tuned if you want to know what is it.